Fire Safety for Landlords and HMO Owners, Part 4, Fire Doors and Escape Routes, England. Fire doors and clear escape routes are critical in HMOs and other multi-occupied buildings because they slow the spread of fire and smoke and buy people time to escape. As a landlord or duty holder, you need to ensure fire doors are correctly specified, properly fitted, and maintained so they will perform as intended. First, what is a fire door? A fire door is a tested door assembly, not just a door, and it relies on the door leaf, frame, seals, and ironmongery working together. Most fire doors include intumescent seals that expand in heat to close the gaps, and smoke seals may also be provided where smoke control is required. Fire doors are commonly specified as FD30 or FD60 depending on the required fire resistance. Second, self-closing and keeping doors shut. Fire doors only protect people if they close properly, so damaged doors, removed closers, or wedging doors open defeats the purpose. If a fire door needs to be held open for access, it should only be held open using a suitable automatic release device so it releases and the door closes when the fire alarm operates or when the device detects the alarm. Third, common defects that stop fire doors working. Typical issues include missing or damaged intumescent or smoke seals and excessive gaps between the door and frame. As a rule of thumb, guidance commonly indicates door-to-frame gaps should be within the tolerances for the seals fitted, often around 2-4 mm, and generally not exceeding 4 mm along the sides and top. Alterations such as unapproved glazing, holes and cutouts, or poorly fitted hardware can also undermine performance and should be treated as defects. Fourth, inspections and record keeping. Fire doors should be inspected and maintained on a planned, risk-based schedule, and defects should be repaired promptly by someone competent. If the building is above 11 meters, the Fire Safety, England, Regulations 2022 require checks of communal fire doors at least every 3 months, and Best Endeavours checks of flat entrance fire doors at least every 12 months, with records, including where access is not granted. Finally, escape routes. Escape routes must be kept clear so people can evacuate quickly, and common areas should not be treated as storage. Build this into tenancy information and routine inspections, because blocked corridors and wedged fire doors are exactly the type of issues that lead to enforcement and real-life harm. In the next video, we'll look at how to communicate fire safety information effectively to tenants. Subscribe to continue the series.